Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video. And don't forget to subscribe.
Students, today we learn My English Book Standard 8, Unit 1 and the poem 1.1 Be the Best, written by Douglas Malloch. First I read the poem. Be the best. If you can't be a pine on the top of the hill, be a scrub in the valley, but be the best little scrub by the side of the rail. Be a bush if you can't be a tree. If you can't be a bush, be a bit of the grass and some highway happier make. If you are a muskie, then just be a bass, but the liveliest bass in the lake. We can't all be captains. We have got to be crew. There is something for all of us here. There is big work to do, and there is leisure to do, and the task you must do is the near. If you can't be a highway, then just be a trail. If you can't be the sun, be a star. It isn't by size that you win or you fail. Be the best of whatever you are. In this poem, the poet motivates us by giving examples from nature, as nature is the best teacher. The poet inspires us by saying that if you can't be a tall tree like pine on the top of the hill, then be a scrub. Students, scrub means small plants in the valley, because these small plants makes valley beautiful and full of charm. Further, the poet added that the scrub from the sides of the reel means stream, that scrub adds its beauty, means without alongside scrub, the stream do not look beautiful and attractive. That means if we can't be a strong tree in the forest, be a bush and adds the beauty of nature. In the next stanza, the poet says, if we can't be a bush, try to become a bit of grass. A bit of grass which is alongside of highway make the highway prettier and happier. Then poet encourages us by giving the example of fish. Muskie and bass, these are the names of fish. Muskie is a uncommon and bass is a common fish. By giving this example, the poet tells us that if you can't be a muskie, then do your work as a common fish in the lake. Being a small thing, we can be the part of great and big task. Students, every work is important. By doing small tasks, we become the best. What would happen when everyone wants to be a doctor or engineer? Who would look after the smaller job of our society? Who would clean our roads? Who would fulfill our daily needs? No. Means we can't all be a captains. All the workers of the captain make the job of the captain easier. Without workers, captain can't do his work successfully. No work is lesser and no work is greater. Every task which you do with efforts, that is greater. In the last stanza, the poet inspires us by saying that if you can't be a highway, then just be a trail. Children, trail means a narrow path. That path also shows the way and makes the walker happy. If you can't be the gigantic sun, then shines like a star at night. Means to win or fail is not depend on your size. So, students, do your best means noticeable work whatever you are. Overall, it is an inspirational and motivational poem. From this poem, we learn that we have to do hard work and small tasks like each and every factor of nature to become the best.